I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Switchbot model and the replacement cell type, because using the wrong battery risks damage. Once done, power the device off in the app and unmount it so you have full access. Make sure to lay a soft cloth on your workspace to avoid scratches. Use a small Phillips or flat tool to expose the battery compartment. You're doing this to avoid stripping screws or bending clips, so move deliberately and keep parts organized. Now open the compartment by following the clip direction or removing the tiny screws. Once the cover is off, you'll see polarity markings. Observe them closely. You remove the old battery gently to avoid bending the connector or contaminating contacts. If the terminal looks corroded, clean it before inserting the new cell. Insert the new battery matching polarity, press it into place until it seats, and make sure connectors are snug. So the switch reassemble by replacing the cover and tightening screws without over-torquing, then remount the Switchbot and power it on in the app. You may need to pair it again. Test the actuator through its full range of motion and confirm reliable responses, and make sure you monitor battery status for the next 24 hours to catch early issues. If it fails to power, check polarity first. Then verify the connector seating and screw alignment. These 3 checks solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.